Welcome to STEMHUNTER, a smarter job board. You are on your way to smart talent searching. Here's the rundown on our site. On the homepage, you will see me, Cami, ready to connect you to great scientific and technical professionals. To get started, click the Sign Up button to create an account or the Login button if you already have an existing STEMHUNTER account. Once you are in the platform, you will be directed to your dashboard, where you can conduct a quick candidate search and can also see your recent jobs, folders, and saved searches. In the header, you will additionally see My Jobs, Search, Saved Candidates, and Messaging. My Jobs will show you and your team's job postings as well as the amount of job slots you have available. From this screen, you can also post new jobs. To learn more about how to post a job, watch our How to Post a Job video. Under the Search tab, you can search STEMHUNTER's candidate database. You can view candidates and utilize the Action button to do more with a candidate's profile. To learn more about how to search candidates, watch our How to Search Candidates video. On the Saved Candidates tab, you can sort candidates into separate folders for different jobs or functions. This is a great way to manage messages and stay organized with all of your roles. Finally, the Messaging tab is where you can respond to and view recent messages. These are separated in your inbox, anonymous questions, and archive messages. Within conversations, you can attach important files or utilize templates. Whenever you have a question or need my help, you can see if your question has already been answered in our FAQ. If not, submit a request or contact us on our website. Get started today at STEMHUNTER.com.